Hi, I'm Pastor Dave, and I am standing literally beside the PortaParsonage, our RV that we call Frida. And I mentioned in a recent video that there were some upgrades that we were going to do. In a recent video, I shared with you that we were going to do some upgrades. We've already taken Frida to the tire shop, and we put on some new Goodyear Wranglers. And with that, we've also included valve extensions because we're going to be putting on a tire pressure monitoring system. Well, today's the day. I'm going to put on the Catstrap to help protect my catalytic converter. And that means crawling underneath this thing, and it's kind of tight under there, but we'll make it work. Something to protect our catalytic converter. I've got my exhaust clamps, but I've also got this, which is the Catstrap. And this is quite the piece of equipment here. It's a 7-foot long strap. It's got 3 strips of aircraft wire in it and folded in it. And the backing here, the backing is some kind of heat activated tape. And that's what the clamps are for. The clamps will go on either end and on either end of the catalytic converter as well. Then it comes also with these ties. These are metal zip ties to help hold it up. And these, of course, will go on the clamps to help, let's get a closer look at that, to help prevent pressure being put on the aircraft wire, which makes them move when a saw hits it. And this is a deterrent to thieves. Here's all my clamps and tools and stuff for the job. And right here is the Catstrap. I'm going to pull this out a little bit and snip the twist tie, or the zip tie on there, twist that zip, cut that off. And I understand that this is just going to spring out to 7 feet in length. So let's check it out, see what we get. And sure enough, that's exactly what it did. All right, there it is. And that's going to go along the exhaust pipe from the beginning of the catalytic converter back toward the tailpipe, and it'll prevent from cutting anywhere along the way. So let's get to it. I had this off. This is what I've got started right here. I've got it hooked on here. I've got to tighten it down, of course. And then run this back along the catalytic converter, and then 7 feet back to the end of that and get it secured. So that's what we're working on. Let's see what we can do. I'm trying to get this set up so that it shows what I'm doing. It's really tight under here. Gotta open another box. Tighten it after I get this one up and on. That's gonna be hard. Put this on. Let's tighten this one up first. And this one's done. Need a ratchet. Windy out today, blowing my empty boxes around. Well, let's see if we can get more of this up. So get all this done, then I'm gonna have to figure out how to get out of here. Get all my stuff out as well. Okay, there's that. Quite a little bit to go. Bring this with me and get that down on the end. something more to work on, isn't there? This crawling backwards stuff is more difficult. Okay, I've got everything I need. All right, I guess that's that. Clear it out. Put this away.
So, I guess that's what we got. See how it works out. Camera.